For this activity, I will share my personal service experience and analyze it using Total Quality Management or TQM, the 4 Is of Service and Change Management Strategy. The service experience I will talk about happened at Dampa Sabugu Seafood Grill and Restobar. This experience was positive because of good services and friendly staff. So, description of my service experience. I visited Dampa Sabugu to dine with my friends. We ordered seafoods and grilled dishes when we arrived. The staff welcomed us politely and assessed it right away. They helped us choose our food and explain the menu clearly. The staff were easy to approach and very friendly. They know how to talk to guests properly and made us feel comfortable. Our food was served on time. They know how to talk to guests properly and made us feel comfortable. Our food was served on time, and the staff checked on us to make sure everything was okay. Overall, was satisfied with service. So, evaluation of service using TQM concepts. First, customer focus. Dampa Sabugu shows strong customer focus. The staff listened to our needs and respond quickly. They made sure that we were satisfied with your order. Because of this, I felt value as a customer. Second, employee involved. The employees work as a team. They supported each other and were active in service guests. This teamwork helped the service become faster and more organized. Third, continuous improvement. The process is efficiency. The service process was smooth from ordering to serving food. There was no long waiting time. This shows that the restaurant follows good service system and continuity in their operation. These TQM practices resulted in positive dining experience and high customer satisfaction. Application of the 4 Is of services. First, intangibility. Services cannot be touched, but it can be felt through staff behavior. In Dampa Sabugu, friendly attitude of the staff made the service feel high quality. They can improve this by maintaining good customer services training. So number 2, inconsistency. Service quality can change depending on the staff. In my experience, the service was consistent because all staff were polite and attentive. They can manage this by using standard greetings and service procedures. So number 3, inseparability. Service is delivered and consumed at the same time. The staff's action directly affected our experience. Dampa Sabugu can manage this by reminding staff to always be respectful and professional even during busy hours. So number 4, perishability. Service cannot be stored if service time is wasted. It cannot be recovered. The restaurant handled this well by reserving food on time and responding quickly to requests. They can improve this by proper scheduling of staff during peak hours. So next, I propose change and training actions. Training topics. First, communication and customer service skills for all service staff. Second, handling customer feedback and complaint in a polite and personal way. Change management strategy. Propose initiatives, give rewards to employees who show excellent service, redefine cultural values, promote teamwork, respect, and customer care. Exercise authority. Managers should regularly check service performance. Shift burden of change. Use clear system and task assessment to help staff work better. Recruit champions of change. choose team leaders who can guide to and motivate other employees. This action will help improve services quality and support TQM practice. So, conclusion. This activity taught me that quality service is not only about good food but also about how customers are treated. Through TQM, Dampa sa Bugu is able to provide friendly, efficient, and quality service. My experience show that when staff are trained, motivated, and customers focused, service excellence can be achieved and sustained.